Aroma. A pleasant smell of food. I love the aroma of fresh coffee. The aroma of pizza made me hungry. Appetizer. A small dish before the main meal. We had soup as an appetizer. My favorite appetizer is garlic bread. Savory. Salty or spicy, not sweet. We ate savory food at the party. I like savory snacks more than sweet ones. Crispy. Crunchy and firm, usually fried food. These chips are so crispy. She made crispy chicken for lunch. Spicy. The food that has strong, hot flavors. My tongue is burning. The noodles are too spicy. I don't eat spicy food. It hurts my mouth. Juicy. Full of juice. I ate a juicy orange. The grapes are sweet and juicy. Greasy. Too oily or fatty. The plate was full of greasy food. My hands are greasy after eating fries. Zesty. Fresh and full of strong flavor, like lemon. I enjoy zesty lemon sauce. The salad tastes zesty and fresh. Comfort food. Food that makes you feel good and relaxed. Warm noodles are perfect comfort food. He cooked pasta as comfort food for his friend. Leftovers. Food remaining after a meal. He brought leftovers to school. We saved the leftovers in the fridge.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!